Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we're fixing a PS5 that turns off immediately. Place the PS5 on a flat table so you can clearly see the PS5 power light. Press the PS5 power button and watch how the PS5 shuts off right away. Unplug the PS5 power cable completely from the back of the PS5. Inspect the PS5 power cable connector for dust or burn marks. Blow lightly into the PS5 power port to clear loose debris. Plug the PS5 power cable firmly back into the PS5 until it clicks. Make sure the PS5 power cable is also tight on the wall outlet. Avoid using a faulty extension. Plug the PS5 directly into the wall. Press the PS5 power button again and check if the PS5 stays on longer. If the PS5 still turns off, unplug the PS5 once more. Hold the PS5 power button for 10 seconds to drain remaining power. Leave the PS5 unplugged for 1 full minute for a proper power cycle. Plug the PS5 back in and power on the PS5 again. Watch the PS5 power indicator to see if it remains stable. If the PS5 shuts off again, remove the PS5 HDMI cable. Inspect the PS5 HDMI port using a small light for bent pins. Clean the PS5 HDMI port gently using compressed air. Reconnect the PS5 HDMI cables securely to the PS5. Try powering the PS5 again and monitor if the PS5 turns off. If the PS5 still turns off, unplug the PS5 and rotate it slightly for airflow. Check the PS5 air vents on the sides and back of the PS5. Use air spray to clean the PS5 ventilation grills. Avoid touching the PS5 fan, just remove surface dust. Place the PS5 in an open area where the PS5 can breathe better. Press the PS5 power button and check airflow from the PS5 vents. If the PS5 still shuts down, turn off the PS5 and unplug it again. Press and hold the PS5 power button until you hear a second beep. This will start the PS5 in safe mode for deeper troubleshooting. Connect the PS5 controller with the PS5 USB cable. Select Restart PS5 from the PS5 Safe Mode menu. Wait to see if the PS5 stays powered after restart. If the PS5 turns off, return to PS5 Safe Mode again. This time select Clear Cache and Rebuild Database on the PS5. Allow the PS5 to complete the rebuilding process. After rebooting, watch if the PS5 stabilizes. If not, go back into PS5 Safe Mode again. Choose Update System Software to update the PS5. Let the PS5 download and install the update. Once done, restart the PS5 normally. Check if the PS5 still shuts off under load. If the PS5 turns off during gameplay, turn off the PS5 fully. Gently remove the PS5 top cover by sliding it upward. Look for dust buildup around the PS5 fan area. Use short bursts of air to clean the PS5 interior safely. Avoid spinning the PS5 fan too fast while cleaning. Reattach the PS5 cover securely. Plug in the PS5 again and press the PS5 power button. Keep an eye on the PS5 power light for stability. If the PS5 still turns off, remove any external drives from the PS5. Restart the PS5 with no accessories connected. Check if the PS5 now stays powered without shutting off. If it does, reconnect one device at a time to the PS5. Test each time to see what triggers the PS5 shutdown. If the PS5 still has issues, try a different outlet for the PS5. A weak outlet can make the PS5 lose power suddenly. After moving, power on the PS5 and monitor the PS5 light. If the PS5 finally stays on, continue using proper ventilation. If the PS5 still shuts off immediately, the PS5 hardware needs service. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes. Subscribe for more PS5 fixes.